Looking for standing exercises to eliminate abdomen fat? Well, you've come to the right place. We all know that maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be a bit challenging, and the abdomen area is often the hardest to tackle. But don't fret. This video is here to guide you. We'll be exploring 10 fantastic exercises that you can do standing up, aimed specifically at reducing abdomen fat. But why standing exercises, you ask? Well, not only do these exercises help in burning fat, they also encourage improved core strength. And let's not forget about the benefits to your posture. In our busy lives, it's easy to forget how important good posture is. But with standing exercises, you're killing two birds with one stone, strengthening your core and enhancing your posture, all while focusing on that stubborn abdomen fat. So are you ready to learn about these 10 exercises? Let's get started. Our first exercise is the high knee march. This exercise is a fantastic way to get your heart pumping and your muscles working. It's simple, effective, and can be done anywhere, anytime. Here's how it's done. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Lift your right knee as high as it can go, then place it back down. Immediately lift your left knee to hip level. Continue to alternate knees, just like you're marching in place. This exercise targets several muscle groups, including the abdominals, hips, and thighs. It's great for boosting your metabolism and burning fat. You'll want to do 3 sets of 20 repetitions, which means lifting each knee 20 times per set. Don't rush it. The goal is to maintain a steady rhythm. And here's a pro tip. Try to touch your knee with the opposite elbow each time you lift it. This will engage your obliques and intensify the workout. Remember to keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout this exercise. Moving on to the second exercise, we have standing bicycle crunches. This dynamic move will feel like you're pedaling an invisible bike while also throwing a punch. Start by standing straight with your feet hip-width apart. Now, extend your right arm straight out in front of you while simultaneously lifting your left knee to meet your right elbow. It's a cross-body motion that engages both your upper and lower abs. Continue alternating sides at a brisk pace for a full minute. Remember, the key to this exercise is maintaining a good form. Keep your core tight and your back straight while moving your limbs. Avoid any jerky or rushed movements. You want to feel every crunch as you twist your torso and bring your knee to your elbow. This exercise not only targets your abs, but also improves your balance and coordination. With regular practice, you'll be able to feel your core getting stronger and more defined. Next up, we have standing side crunches. Our bodies are designed to move in all directions, so let's take advantage of that. This exercise will help us target those tricky obliques. Begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Extend your right arm overhead, palm facing inward. Now, lift your right leg to the side while simultaneously bending your right elbow to meet your knee. It's like you're trying to make your elbow and knee have a friendly mid-air meeting. Don't worry if they don't touch at first, it's the effort that counts. Make sure to keep your back straight and your gaze forward. This will help maintain balance. You should feel a good squeeze on your right side each time you crunch. Switch sides after about 10 to 15 repetitions. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about control and engaging the right muscles. This exercise is great for targeting the obliques and improving overall core strength. Our fourth exercise is standing mountain climbers. This is a fantastic exercise that not only targets your core, but also gives your heart a great workout. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Bring your right knee up towards your chest as you simultaneously drive your left arm forward. Then switch sides. It's like running in place, but with high knees. The key here is to engage your abs as you lift your knees. You'll feel your core working hard to keep your body balanced. Standing mountain climbers is a dynamic exercise that gets your blood pumping and your muscles working. It's excellent for cardiovascular health and can help improve your stamina over time. But the beauty of this exercise is that it also strengthens your core. Every knee lift forces your abdominals to contract, which helps tone your belly. Remember to keep your movements controlled and your breathing steady. This way, you're not just working out, but also practicing mindfulness. Halfway through, our fifth exercise is standing oblique crunches. This is a fantastic way to engage your core muscles while standing up. To perform this exercise, you'll want to begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. From here, Lift your right knee towards your right elbow, squeezing your obliques as you do so. Then return to the starting position and repeat on the left side. This counts as 1 repetition. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. If you're new to this exercise, start with a lower number of repetitions and gradually increase as your strength and endurance improve. Standing oblique crunches specifically target your oblique muscles, which are the muscles on the sides of your abdomen. Besides giving your abs a fantastic workout, this exercise also improves your balance and core stability. This exercise is excellent for targeting the sides of your abdomen and improving your core stability. Moving on to our 6th exercise, we have standing leg lifts. This move is a fantastic way to target those lower abs while also working on your balance. Let's get started, shall we? Begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping it as straight as possible. Try to raise it as high as you can without bending at the waist. Lower it back down with control, not allowing it to touch the floor until you've completed your set. Repeat the same with the other leg. Maintaining balance during this exercise can be challenging, but there's a trick to it. Try focusing your gaze on a fixed point in front of you. It will help stabilize your body. Also, remember to engage your core muscles throughout the move. This not only helps with balance, but it also ensures you're working those abs effectively. Remember to keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout this exercise. Our 7th exercise is standing Russian twists. This is a dynamic and engaging exercise that targets your entire core, including your obliques, abdominal muscles, and lower back. Standing Russian twists are a great way to improve your core strength, balance, and rotational power. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Clasp your hands together in front of your chest, keep your elbows wide and your gaze forward. Now engage your core and twist your torso to the right, keeping your hips square and stable. Then, twist back to the center and onto the left, repeating the movement. Remember to keep your movements controlled, with your core engaged throughout. This isn't about speed, it's about precision and control. As you continue to do this exercise regularly, you'll find that your balance improves, your core becomes stronger, and your ability to rotate your torso increases. This exercise targets your entire core and can help improve your rotational strength. Next up, we have standing windmills. This dynamic exercise is all about precision and control. To begin, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Extend your arms out to the sides, creating a T shape with your body. Now imagine a string pulling up from the top of your head, elongating your spine. Engage your core and begin to bend at your waist, reaching your right hand down towards your left foot. Your left hand should point towards the sky. Keep your arms straight and your gaze focused on your upward hand. Pause for a moment, then slowly return to the starting position. Now let's switch sides. Reach your left hand down towards your right foot while your right hand points up. Remember, this isn't about speed. Keep your movements slow and controlled, focusing on the rotation in your waist. And there you have it. Standing windmills in a nutshell. This exercise is great for targeting the obliques and improving overall core strength. Our 9th exercise is standing toe touches. This exercise is a sterling blend of simplicity and effectiveness. Standing toe touches primarily target your hamstrings and abdominal muscles, making them a spectacular addition to your standing abdominal workout routine. Begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Extend your arms straight out in front of you at shoulder height. Now engage your core as you slowly lower your upper body and try to touch your toes with your hands. If you can't reach your toes, don't worry. Just go as far as you can without straining yourself. Remember, the key here is to keep your legs as straight as possible. This will ensure that you're stretching your hamstrings effectively. As you perform this exercise, you'll also feel your abdominal muscles working to maintain your balance, thereby strengthening your core. Standing toe touches are fantastic for improving your flexibility and core strength. They're a wonderful way to stretch and tone your body, all while standing up. Remember to keep your movements controlled and your breathing steady. Finally, our 10th exercise is standing jackknives. Now this one's a little challenging, but stick with it and you'll reap the benefits. To perform this exercise, stand straight with your feet hip-width apart. Extend your arms above your head, then lift one knee and lower your arms so your elbows and knee meet in the middle of your body. It's like you're folding yourself in half, hence the name jackknife. Repeat this movement for 10 to 15 times on each side and aim for 3 sets in total. The standing jackknife targets your entire abdominal area, from the upper abs to the lower abs and even the obliques. It's a comprehensive move that really engages your core and helps improve your stability and balance. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing and you'll soon see a difference in your abdominal strength and definition. This exercise is excellent for targeting the entire abdomen and improving your core stability. And that's it. You've just learned 10 standing exercises to eliminate abdomen fat. From the high knee march that gets your heart pumping and targets your lower abs, to the standing jackknives that really hone in on your core, each exercise has been designed to help you achieve a toned and healthy abdomen. But remember, these aren't magic tricks. They require consistency and proper form to be effective. It's essential to keep your core engaged throughout each exercise and to maintain good posture. Don't rush. Take your time to ensure every movement is done correctly. These exercises, when done consistently, can become a powerful tool in your fitness arsenal. Incorporate them into your regular fitness routine. Maybe you start your day with the standing mountain climbers, or perhaps you end your evening with a round of standing Russian twists. Whatever your preference, make these exercises a part of your daily life. Remember, it's not about how fast you can go, but how well you can execute these exercises. Keep going and you'll see results in no time.